We're out here in the Austin Cary Forest this morning. This is a Loblolly pine clone bank. What this is basically a storage facility for different genotypes or genetic types of Loblolly pine for the breeding program here. And what they've done is established this clone bank by planting slash pine seedlings a couple years ago. And then when those slash pine seedlings were a year old, they went in and grafted on top of those slash pine seedlings cuttings from members of the loblolly pine population in the breeding program. So what you can see here is a graft junction. Below this graft is the slash pine rootstock. Above this graft is the loblolly pine. So what this does is provide a place to store the large numbers of loblolly pine genotypes needed to be part of a modern tree breeding program.